4 construction workers died while 2 other individuals were injured following a landslide in Antipolo City, according to the Bureau of Fire Protection. The BFP reports that the incident occurred on Wednesday, July 10, while the victims were clearing a retaining wall they had dismantled in Fairmount Hills Subdivision, Barangay de La Paz. The Antipolo City Police Station confirms that all of the fatalities were construction workers, while a 20-year-old construction worker and another resident sustained injuries. The search and retrieval operations took 2 hours, according to authorities.